Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week ending August 12th, the major indexes were up as both the S&P and Nasdaq gained for the fourth consecutive week. The Dow rose 2.9% on the week, while both the S&P and Nasdaq were up more than 3%. The main reason was that we had some good economic news, as the Consumer Price Index was unchanged in July, with a 7.7% decline in the gasoline index offsetting increases in food and shelter. Inflation is currently at 8.5%, less than the expected 8.7%. The Producer Price Index for final demand declined 0.5% in July. On a year-over-year basis, however, final demand prices increased 9.8%. Initial jobless claims continued to increase during the week ending August 6th, as there were 262,000 or 14,000 job claims more than during the previous week. And consumer sentiment increased for the third consecutive month to 55.1 from 51.5 in July, likely due to the decline in energy prices. Year-ahead inflation expectations declined slightly from 5.2% to 5%, but five-year inflation expectations climbed slightly from 2.9% to 3%. This slight uptick in the five-year inflationary expectation doesn't help the argument for the Fed to not go for a 75 basis point rate increase during the upcoming FOMC meeting in September. Year-to-date, the Dow was down 7.1%, the S&P down 10.2%, and the Nasdaq is down 16.6%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 2.85%. Oil closed at $91.90 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,799.70 an ounce, with silver closing at $20.33 an ounce. For this coming week of August 15th, Monday we'll get the Empire State Manufacturing Index and the Home Builders Index. Tuesday, building permits, housing starts, and industrial production will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get business inventories and retail sales data. And on Thursday, initial and continuing jobless claims, existing home sales, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and the leading economic indicators all will be reported. A few examples of leading economic indicators are stock prices, consumer confidence, and building permits, among others. Also, corporate earnings season continues as more companies will be reporting their second quarter earnings. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you own in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a great week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.